So this is how to put together an eraser cube. This is what it looks like at the end. And then you gotta... Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have to have 3 pieces. Get the one that has a number 3 on it. And then lay it when the 3 is down. And then get number 4. Make sure that it's pink. It has that arrow. And then you're going to attach it like that. Then you're going to get number 1. And how you attach number 1 is like this. Make sure that number 1 is facing upside down. Sorry you couldn't really see the first 2 parts. And then it should look like this. And after that, you're going to get the red one. You're going to put the red one right here. Oh wait, I put the one the wrong way. This is how it should be. You should put the one like this, so then it's upside down. Then after that, you're going to get the green, number 5. And then you're going to put the number 5 like it's stairs, and then you see it right there. See? Stairs, stairs, stairs. So then you're going to put that on top. And after that, you can see right here that there's like a big thing right there, and then there's a big thing right here. And then you're just going to put it in. And every number has to be facing out. So there you go. This is the eraser.